Hello friends, I am Vipul Patel. Today I teach significant digit. Friends, first of all, what is significant figures? So normally the reported result of the measurement is the number that includes all digits in the number that are known reliably plus the first digit is the uncertain. Means the reliable digit plus the first uncertain digit are known as significant digit or significant figures. The digits of significant figure are called significant digit. Friends, look here. Now we show an example. Suppose periodic time of the simple pendulum is 1.62 second. 1.62 seconds. In this 1 and 6 are reliable and certain. Here 1 and 6 are reliable and certain, while digit 2 is uncertain. Okay? So the choice of change of the different units does not change the number of significant digit or figure in measurement. So now we show an example. In measurement of the length, suppose 2.403 centimeter. Suppose now we want to convert into centimeter to meter, otherwise millimeter. So we can write down, means there are four significant digits, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Significant digit, it can be represented as, look here, in centimeter is converted into meter, means 0.02403. In this case also now we have four significant digit, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay. Suppose now we want to convert into millimeter. So 23.08 millimeter. So in this case also now we have four significant digit. Friends, now we learn significant digit, determine its rules. Friends, next question and most IMP question. Explain rule of the determining significant digit. First rule, all the non-zero digit are significant, means 1 to 9 number, all are significant number. Suppose, look here now we have a number 348. In this number now we have three number are significant, first, second and third. Means all non-zero digits are significant. Suppose I give you another example, 3.678. Okay. So in this case now we have six significant digits, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. All number are non-zero. Okay. Second, all the zero between two non-zero digits are significant, no matter where the decimal point is. Suppose, look here, we have a number 340007. Okay. Here 4 and 7 both are non-zero significant number, and between them 0 are available. So 0 is also called significant number. So here, how many significant number are available? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Means 6 significant digits are here. Okay. Third, the trailing 0 in a number without a decimal point are not significant. Means, look here, 123 meters. Suppose this number is converted into centimeter. So multiply 100 means 12300. Here now we have 3 significant number. Okay. And suppose now we convert meter into centimeter. So here 1, 2 and 3 are significant digit. This 0 are not significant digit. Suppose now we want to convert into millimeter. So here 1, 2 and 3 are 3 significant. But these 0 are not significant. Okay. So in 123 meter, 12300 centimeter, 12300 millimeter. Here number of significant digits are 3. D. If the number is less than 1, means 0 point. The 0 on the right of the decimal point, but to the left of the first non-zero digits are not significant. Look here. Suppose 0.002308 is a less than 1. Okay. So here first number 2 is a non-zero significant digit. Okay. So move left hand side. 2 0 are not significant. Here 1, 2, 3 and 4 significant number are available. Okay. Next, E. In the number with the decimal point trailing 0 are significant. Means 3.500 after decimal point. Means here 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 decimal number are here possible. Friends, all these rules are very important. Friends, rules number 2. When measurements are represented with the trailing 0, its aim is to the represented measurement with more accuracy. Hence, it should be considered as significant digit. Yes, look here. 4.700 centimeter. In this example, now we have 4 significant digits 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay. Suppose this is a meter, not centimeter. Okay. And it is converted into centimeter. So 4700 are 4 significant digit. Same way 4700 millimeter. In this case also now we have 4 significant digit. Third, to remove ambiguities determining the number of the significant figures, the best way is to report every measurement is significant notation. For example, 246.35 kg is representing in scientific notation. Means this decimal point move left hand side and So we can write down 2.4635 cross 10 raised to 2. Fourth, the digit O put on a left of a decimal is not significant. These are not O, 0. Okay, is not significant, but trailing 0 are significant. This point we learn ahead. 5 points. In multiplication, in the number representing measurement value are exact and have infinite number of the significant digits. For example, r is equal to d by 2. Factor 2 is an exact number, hence it can be written as 2 or 2.0 or 2.40 as required. And last, in process of the division, if denominator is a fixed number, then it can have a infinite number of the significant digit. Friends, all these are significance rules. It is very useful to find the significant number. Thank you.